Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat just one meal a day? Well, I tried the one meal a day diet, also known as OMAD, for 30 days straight, and what happened might surprise you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest videos on health, fitness, and human body hacks. So, what exactly is the one meal a day diet? It's a type of intermittent fasting where you eat all your daily calories in just one sitting and fast for the remaining 23 hours. No calorie counting, no complicated meal plans, no special ingredients, just one simple rule: eat once a day. Let's start with the positives. 1. Simplicity. There's freedom in eating once. No meal prep chaos, no multiple dishes, just one satisfying meal to plan for. 2. Freedom to eat what you love. The best part? You can enjoy your favorite foods, from grilled chicken to sweet potato fries, as long as you stick to one meal a day. 3. Reduced appetite. Surprisingly, after a week, my appetite dropped. I didn't crave snacks or sugar like before. It's true what they say: fasting can reset your hunger hormones. 4. Sustainable weight loss. After 30 days, I dropped several pounds without counting calories. My body felt lighter, my digestion improved, and my energy levels became more stable. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Here are the downsides I faced. 1. Hunger pangs. The first week was tough. I constantly felt hungry and distracted. Your body needs time to adapt to fasting windows. 2. Low energy levels. During the first few days, my energy dipped, especially mid-afternoon. If you work out regularly, this might hit you harder. 3. Risk of overeating. After fasting for 23 hours, it's tempting to eat everything in sight. That can backfire, so portion control is key. So, is the one meal a day diet worth trying? OMAD can work for some people, especially if you want to simplify your eating routine or kickstart weight loss. But it's not for everyone. If you struggle with binge eating, low blood sugar, or have medical conditions, consult your doctor first. After 30 days, I felt leaner, more mindful, and surprisingly in control of my eating habits. Would I keep doing it long term? Probably not every day, but as an occasional reset, absolutely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and tell us in the comments, would you try eating one meal a day? For more science-based health tips, body hacks, and nutrition facts, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Stay fit, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.